Hiya, I've been listening to I'm Tired on the Marty Stuart Show from probably about 7 years ago, about 2013, and listening to the Kenny Vaughan guitar solo, and it sounds something like this.
Tired of living this old way.
And John Davis has kindly tabbed out the steel guitar bit from Gary Carter, so I thought I'd have a go at the Kenny Vaughan bit and just try and work out what he's playing. It's a really, really nice solo. It sounds quite simple, but it's not. Turns out I didn't find it that simple to play it. So here's how it goes. It's in B, and it's a sort of 1-4-5-1 chord progression. So B, E, F sharp, and B. So quite a simple chord progression. And so I thought I'd go through it and dissect it and see how it goes. So it starts on the B with a little run up. So this is on the 5th string, 4th fret, sliding up to 6. 4th string, 4th fret, hammer on to 6. And 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string, 6th. 3rd string, 6th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, and then get that 3rd string on the 6th fret and bend it a whole tone, and then on the 4th fret on that B. He gets a real spank on that. So that last bit, and then slide 4th string, 4th fret to 6th, 3rd string, 4th, and then back to 4th string, 6th fret, 4th fret, and then stretch your little finger, so 5th string, 7th fret to get that E note. So that first couple of bars, so that's now on an E chord, and we need to go up. So 4th string, 4th fret, slide up to 6, and then 3rd string, 4th fret, 6th fret, little pick. So slide up 4th to 6 on the 4th string, 3rd string on the 4th fret, 3rd string, 6th fret, and a little bend. Release to the 4th fret, and then 6th fret on the 4th string, and end on that B note, 3rd string, 4th fret. So we got. And then you've got to stretch your little finger up to the 7th fret, 2nd string. And then, so pick that 7th fret on the 2nd string with your little finger. And then 6th fret on the 3rd string and just give that little bend. And end on that B note, 3rd string, 4th fret. And that's the first couple of lines. So. And then we're right up now. We're on the F sharp chord, so you're right up the top end now. So 12th fret and bend the whole tone. So it's a 12th to 10th fret. So bend it, release and pick again. 12th fret, 10th on the 1st string, 12th fret on the 2nd string, 10th fret on the 2nd string. So we're in a minor pentatonic here, I think, but. And then 2nd string, 7th fret, slide to 9th. I'll use my 3rd finger here. 1st string, 7th. And then pick that 2nd string on the 9th fret again. 9th, 7th, and 5th fret. And then the last little bit, you're up on the first string, 11th fret, give it a bend. So 11th fret, bend it, pick it again and then release. 9th fret, 7th. And then you've got to slide again on the second string, 9th to 11th fret. First string, 9th fret. Second string, 11th to 9th. And then a little series of pull-ups. Third string, you're going 11th, 10th, 9th fret. And then move your fingers down, 7th, 6th. And slide down and end on that third string on the 4th fret. So. And I think that's all there is to it. I've had to slow it down a bit to try and work out what he's doing and actually watch his fingers, but I'm pretty sure that's the general gist of it. He's got absolute tone to die for on the video, and his playing is just out of this world. But I hope that's been helpful. Yeah, if you enjoyed that, please let me know, and thanks for watching.